Our community has experienced rapid, unexpected growth, which brought both positive outcomes and significant challenges. A year and a half ago, we faced a tough situation that didn't have a simple solution. Any quick fix could have led to disaster. Focusing only on restoring old user accounts would have held back future growth, while shifting entirely to new projects would have meant abandoning our past obligations. Neither option was acceptable. To address this, we have established a new ecosystem launched on March 26th with the start of V Academy. It operates a modern passport system that is incompatible with our legacy programs. However, we are not going to leave behind those older programs. To balance these needs, we are separating our operations into distinct directions to ensure that focus on past obligations does not hinder the growth of new initiatives. We already detached Holyverse as a particular direction. Then we divided it, and such brands as Holyvita, Holyguards, and Holyguard Fire have appeared. They represent medtech, physical self-improvement, and entertainment, including films and comics. This is a separate universe, completely separated from the Web3 direction, known to you as MetaWhale. And now, it's time to detach the Web3 direction. We are establishing two primary systems, Vistory and TNS. Vistory focuses on new programs and does not rely on decentralized technology, though it maintains our core principles of the decentralized ideas that existed before blockchain technology was even invented. Following the V Academy, Vistory will soon feature VBoost, GuruFun, new DEX, and many other tools. TNS, on the other hand, is a decentralized ecosystem, both in ideology and technological infrastructure. We will soon present a roadmap for the TNS ecosystem, which, in addition to the program of the same name, will include royalty NFT, other NFTs, Uniteverse, WDEX, cashback token program, everything that was previously developed and will soon be restored. The programs in these two ecosystems are incompatible. Vistory is based on the passport system. TNS is based on decentralized technologies, and each of the programs within was originally built especially for one of these systems. It's important to emphasize that the core value of decentralization is its system of checks and balances. Vistory pursues this principle by using hybrid technologies, which allows for increased scalability. At the same time, a significant part of the community values the complete decentralization of the programs themselves, so we cannot cancel this principle in the original programs in which we promised exactly that approach. We are also distancing TNS from the MetaWhale brand. However, we retain all MetaWhale resources, including the website. It will serve as the dedicated platform for addressing all legacy requests related to Metaforce and MetaWhale. Discussions of these legacy issues will be separated from the TNS chats to allow it to develop without distraction, but will be fully disclosed on the MetaWhale platform. TNS and Vistory are entirely independent. The only thing they have in common is the CES token. We'll reveal soon how we're gonna strengthen the tokenomics. It's a secret for now. This architecture was impossible to predict. What we did was a real revolution. We made a quantum leap, and only now that we fully appreciate the scale, we can see the decisions that fit this scale. The easy and obvious decision that most people would make if they were in my shoes would be to start from scratch and leave all the previous obligations behind. This is what I choose not to do. At the same time, I didn't want to give away new opportunities. These decisions were difficult and required significant time to develop. For the past 18 months, we have worked without external income to sustain these legacy obligations while building a path forward. We refuse to simply abandon our past, choosing instead to find a way to honor our commitments while seizing the opportunity for a fresh start. So, let's sum it up. If you have requests such as TR, Royalty NFT, Bitforce, and other legacy issues, you have MetaWhale. If you want to participate in that decentralized programs, you have TNDES ecosystem. And for those who are waiting for the new system, our launch season of visitor programs has begun.